Radiant Vision Systems specializes in leading optical test and measurement solutions to enable new display innovations. Radiant is chosen by companies like Jasper Display Corporation and other micro-LED makers to improve the visual quality of micro-LEDs and other emissive displays. Used with Jasper Display's micro-LED starter kit, Radiant's advanced pixel measurement and uniformity correction helps manufacturers optimize quality in their display designs. The micro-LED starter kit makes it easy for manufacturers to develop new micro-LED products. The kit includes an ASIC-based driver board, software, accessories, and a CMOS silicon backplane that provides the world's smallest Ultra HD microdisplay for augmented and virtual reality devices. Radiant Vision Systems test and correction ensures the quality of micro-LEDs. A Radiant Prometric imaging photometer and microscope lens are used to measure the luminance and uniformity of each micro-LED in the display. Several micro-LED manufacturers choose Radiant for its high-resolution imaging, automated photometric analysis capability, and global support to provide a comprehensive display test and measurement solution. All micro-LED displays exhibit inconsistencies from pixel to pixel, requiring uniformity correction to ensure visual quality. First, the Radiant camera captures a high-resolution image of the microdisplay to evaluate each micro-LED pixel in detail. A modulation controller illuminates the micro-LED pixels in patterns to collect luminance data using a built-in measurement sequence from Radiant. This sequence is part of a complete display correction, or demura, solution developed by Radiant for uniformity correction of emissive displays. Differences in luminance from pixel to pixel are used to calculate correction values, which are applied by the controller to adjust each pixel's luminance to a target output. The result is a display that has a completely uniform appearance at all brightness levels. Correction safeguards a manufacturer's investment in the production of micro-LED displays by optimizing resources that may otherwise fall outside of quality tolerances. Combining expertly designed display technologies with leading test and correction from Radiant Vision Systems, manufacturers of micro-LED, mini-LED, OLED, and more can achieve their goals for efficient display development while ensuring visually perfect display quality.